Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to Balanced Body. Today, we're going to talk about the most popular and versatile piece of Pilates equipment, the reformer. We'll go through exactly what a reformer is, how it works, and how a balanced body reformer differs from others. But before we get into that, let's take a moment to understand exactly how working out on a piece of Pilates equipment differs from working out on a mat. In Pilates mat work, your body provides both the resistance and the assistance for Pilates exercises. You're affected only by gravity and your body weight. But on equipment like a reformer, you have many more exercise options. Resistance from the reformer springs can provide extra challenge or extra support for hundreds of exercises. So the exercise possibilities are basically unlimited. And because a reformer can both assist or resist a movement, it is also an excellent rehabilitation tool for physical therapists. In fact, many of the principles of Pilates align with those of orthopedic rehabilitation. Now, what exactly is a reformer and what's important to consider when you're thinking of buying a reformer? The reformer has a gliding carriage that moves on rails inside a wood or metal frame. And the carriage is connected to springs, and there are pulleys and ropes or leather straps and casters attached to the frame. The carriage moves when you push off the foot bar or when you pull on the straps. You can lie, sit, kneel, or stand on the carriage during a workout. Let's take a closer look at the individual reformer components and explain why they're important and what you should pay attention to when deciding what reformer is best for you. First, let's look at springs. Springs provide progressive resistance for each exercise. The longer they stretch, the more they resist being stretched. They're color-coded to indicate resistance levels from very light to very heavy. You can use a single spring or a combination of springs for an exercise. Your safety is critical when it comes to springs. Use only high-quality springs and make sure to follow care and replacement guidelines. If you look down into the foot end of the reformer, you can see the spring bar, sometimes called the gear bar. Attaching springs to this bar or removing them changes how easy or difficult it is to move the carriage. And some spring bars can be moved closer or farther from the foot bar to adjust for the size of the user. And there are also additional attachment points. They're sometimes provided there to let you slightly increase the tension on the spring. This is often called preloading the springs. Let's move on to the foot bar. Pushing off the foot bar initiates spring resistance at the start of an exercise. The more adjustable your foot bar is, both vertically and horizontally, the better the reformer can adjust to different body sizes and also to ranges of motions. For example, if you're recovering from knee or hip surgery, foot bars that allow one-step horizontal adjustment with no change in foot bar height are a balanced body exclusive. Balanced body reformers have foot bar and spring bar systems that adjust in a variety of ways. To find the system that best meets your needs, we recommend our video on how to choose a foot bar and spring bar system. Now, let's take a closer look at the reformer carriage. This is where you lie, sit, kneel, or stand. You move the carriage during exercises that either push against the foot bar or pull on the ropes. Your carriage ride should be quiet, smooth, and comfortable. It's the hallmark of quality that you'll feel every time you use your reformer. Reformer ropes run from the carriage to your hands or feet through the pulleys at the head end of the reformer. Risers at the head end of the reformer can change the angle of resistance, and they also allow ropes to pass smoothly over the shoulder rest. Your rope system should allow quick and secure adjustments between exercises and easy changeouts between loops or handles when desirable. More traditional reformers use leather straps and casters instead of ropes and pulleys. The reformer's headrest supports your head and neck. Shoulder rests provide stability and comfort. It's convenient for some exercises if they're also removable. The key to your reformer's lifespan will be the strength and durability of its frame. The frame houses the other reformer components. Some frames are wood and others are metal. Whether you prefer a wood or metal frame, select the highest quality and construction method and the most durable materials. It should also be an appropriate height off the floor for your needs. Now, at the foot end of the reformer is the standing platform. It's often used, yes, for standing exercises. When one foot is placed on the platform and the other foot moves the carriage out and in. Most people buy a couple of optional accessories with the reformer. One is called a sitting box. When placed on the reformer, it increases the versatility with seated and prone exercises, side stretching, and more. Now this is called a foot plate. It attaches to the foot end of the reformer, like so. Now, a foot plate makes cardio exercises like running and jumping possible while you lie on the carriage. All reformers share the same basic functionality. So why should you buy a balanced body reformer? For more than 40 years, we have believed that mindful movement like Pilates can truly change a person's life. That passion for positive change drives us. And it's why we're the first company to substantially update the equipment Joseph Pilates began designing over 100 years ago. Balanced body reformers combine state-of-the-art engineering, materials, and technology with a modern understanding of human biomechanics. We've designed hundreds of improvements to Pilates' original equipment. For example, all balanced body reformers have an 8-wheel suspension system for a smooth, quiet carriage ride. And they come with balanced body signature springs, the longest lasting springs available and the only ones designed specifically for Pilates equipment. The end result is equipment that is innovative and beautifully engineered, and which can provide a superior experience to practitioners of all shapes and sizes, all ages, and all fitness levels. It's equipment you'll be proud to own for many years. With all these choices, what reformer best meets your needs? To start, balanced body reformers fall into two major groups. Our classic wood frame reformers are the recognized world standard for function, adjustability, and beauty. Others prefer the easy storage capabilities of our portable, sleek-looking metal frame reformers. And you might also consider whether your reformer can accommodate an add-on tower in the future. A tower attaches to the head end of the reformer and dramatically increases your exercise options without taking up additional space. Almost all of our wood and aluminum reformers can accommodate a tower. So, which reformer is best for you? Let's look at each in more detail. If you're looking for a reformer for home workouts, watch our video titled How to Choose a Reformer for Home. If you're a Pilates professional and are looking for reformers for your studio or fitness facility, watch our video called How to Choose a Reformer for Professional Use. Thanks for joining us today. As always, please call or email Balanced Body if you have any questions. We love hearing from you.